In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Thinkorswim time zone. If your charts don't line up with your local time, or you're constantly converting from Eastern in your head, this quick adjustment will make your trading day a lot smoother. We'll walk through it step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open the Charts tab in Thinkorswim. This is where you spend most of your time analyzing price action, so it makes sense that the time display is controlled from here. If you're on a workspace with multiple charts, just focus on one chart to start. You'll be able to replicate the setting on others once you see how it works. Next, look for the small gear icon on your chart to open chart settings. You'll typically find this gear in the upper right corner of the active chart panel. Clicking it brings up a settings window that controls everything from appearance to time display, so it's the right place for this change. Inside the chart settings window, make sure you're on the General tab. This tab collects the most universal options for the chart, and it includes the time zone control. Take a moment to glance around so you're familiar with what's there, but don't worry. You only need one drop-down for this task. Now, find the time zone drop-down and choose the time zone you want the chart to display. If your platform has been defaulting to Eastern Time and you'd rather see your local time, pick your local zone from the list. This only affects how times are shown on your charts and timestamps. It doesn't change the underlying market data or when markets actually open and close. After selecting, you should see a preview of your choice reflected in the drop-down. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Apply and then OK. Apply commits the change so you can see it immediately on the chart, and OK closes the settings window. Take a quick look at the time labels along the bottom axis of your chart. They should now match the time zone you selected. If you need to switch back later, just repeat these same steps and choose a different zone. A few quick tips before we wrap up. The setting you just changed applies to the chart you edited, so if you use several chart panels, repeat the process on each one to keep things consistent. If your market session lines still appear off, double-check the time zone again and ensure you don't have custom sessions masking part of the day. That's it. Your Thinkorswim chart time zone is now set exactly how you want it.